What's up, gang? Two-time Moto TV back, baby. Yo, we got a special one today, man. One thing that I've been waiting for a long time. I know I told you guys before in the last video that I want the front lifted along with the back. So today, man, I finally received my package in FedEx. I ordered this kit from lifterbrand.com. And they don't make it for this year Crown Vic or Grand Marquis or Mercury Marauder. So they only make the kits for 02s and below. But I was explaining to the guy what I wanted, and they was able to work with me. So they sent me the kit. Hopefully everything mounts up like it's supposed to and I won't have any trouble. But they did all their measurements on their end, and now I'm about to put the kit together on my end. So y'all remember what the car sits like. As you can see, the rear sits up pretty doggone high, man. I like the way the rear sit. I want the front to sit how the rear sit. A lot of you guys may say, hey man, look, I like the way the car sit, you know, tooted up in the back like that. You know, I like it. But if I order a 5-inch lift kit, then that's what the freak I want. So my front sway bars are what's bringing the front end of my car down. So that's why I got this kit. It's nothing but blocks, and it comes with hardware and all that stuff. So for you guys that's buying these 5-inch lift kits and you trying to put your front sway bar back together, it's gonna bring the front end of your car down. So what you need to do, you need to call up a Lifter Brand or any other dealer that you guys deal with as far as lift kits out there. Y'all might want to hit them up, be like, hey listen, this is what's going on, this is what I need. Or you might can go to a metal fabrication shop, let them see what you got, and they might can put something together for you. But I'm dealing with people that actually do lift kits, so that's why I went with Lifter Brand again, man. Like I said, I got my whole complete lift kit that I put on the car from them, so I'm gonna get everything from them because it'll all go together. But yeah, so y'all see the front probably got like a 2-inch gap, the back probably got maybe like a 4 to 5-inch gap, and I just want the front to sit along with the back. Two, I won't have to cut any more off in the car if it lifts up along with the back. So y'all see I got all my tools and everything out here. I'm gonna show y'all what the kit looks like. It's in this box right here. Came today. Put y'all in some shade. So it comes with 2 blocks, no instructions, but guess what? Everything looks self-explanatory. So the only thing I'll do is unbolt my front sway bar. I will put through the hardware that's connected to the car already through here. I will use the original bolts and I'll bolt it in through there. And then I use the hardware that they gave me. Y'all can see that. Comes with bolts, washers, nuts. So I will use these bolts and I'll send it through the bottom. And then I'll put my front sway bar connected to here, and then I'll put the bolt at the bottom. So this right here gives me another 2-inch lift right now, which it should. Lifter Brand didn't even know what I was talking about when I told them that, hey look, the front sway bar is bringing the front end of my car down. They said that they never had that happen before. But hey man, every vehicle's different. Some people might like the way that their car set like that on 6s or 8s or 30s or whatever they went with. But if I order a 5-inch lift kit, then that's what I want. So I want the 5 in the front and I want the 5 in the back. I may go 30s. Like I said, y'all stay tuned. It's a lot of stuff about to happen, man, very soon, man. I'm actually working a little bit more, so I'm able to get my funds together. And yeah, man, we're gonna make some things happen with this car, man. And I want it to be a show car at the end of the day. So it's gonna be interior work. I know you guys been asking about that. Yes, I am gonna be doing interior work. I want to do the wrap first. So the wrap will be next after this video here. Or I may do something else small to the car before I do the wrap. But you know, man, y'all, that stuff costs money. So if y'all can support me, subscribe, hit that bell notification, drop some likes on the vid, man, so I can make this kind of stuff happen. And I can show y'all exactly what it takes, man, and what to do and what not to do. Like I said, I'm doing all this stuff to the car myself. So yeah, y'all, let's get straight to it though, man. I know y'all don't like to hear me talk a lot, so I already got my setup out here, and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, y'all, these two bolts right here that's holding my sway bar up take a 15 millimeter. So let's go ahead and try to get those off. Oh, that's good right there. Look, I ain't even got to jack the car up or nothing. So the bar look like it come down far enough. Hopefully that's far enough and I can be able to get them blocks in there. Let's try it out. As these blocks are hollow on the inside, I don't think that that's gonna be an issue. I mean, it look like it's made of pretty good material. It's nothing but a sway bar. It's not like it's holding weight of the car or anything, so I'm not too worried about that. There we go. Knock her in some. There we go. I think I should have put the hardware in first, y'all. So I just wanted to make sure that these bolt holes lined up, which they do. So now I can bring it down a little bit, put this hardware in there. Oh, by the way, y'all, this kit was $45. Seems like a lot for something, you know, that's not made it much or nothing. But guess what? I look at it like them guys took their time to make this thing for me. So I think $45 is a pretty doggone good deal, if you ask me. They had to fabricate this thing. Like I said, they don't make these kits for 03s and up. Sway bars are a little bit different. Alright, we finally done. This is what the final piece looked like. There ain't nothing but a block and some hardware, and see, I got my sway bar, my front sway bar. Bolt it back up. That's the other side there. Just a 2-inch block. Cause like I said, guys, without this block here, my sway bar is pulled all the way up here, or vice versa, the car is all the way down here. So see, the sway bar has a link here that's connected to your outer hub, and my link has a lot more space now, because I know when I would turn, sometime I hear like a pop, and I know it's not my ball joints because my ball joints are brand new. So I got one of my friends to turn the car, and I sit up under here and listen, and it was that link right there. That link is the link was too close to that ABS brake line right there, or the ABS brake hub. I actually took the ABS line out. You know, I really don't need it. But Yeah, so now I got a lot more space on both sides. I got space on that end, and if you guys can see, I got space on this end here. But yeah, y'all, so if you guys get that Lifter brand kit offline, the 5-inch lift kit, you might want to ask them about these blocks here for your front sway bar. And to put them on, it took me about an hour and a half. It took me trial and tribulations, to be honest. I tried to tighten down everything to begin with, and then I could barely get this front sway bar on there. So what I did was I just kept all of the hardware loose. I kept these bolts here loose, kept these bolts here loose. And then I was able to move this block around like I want to, and I was able to move these bolts here around like I want to. Because as you see, that bolt right there is touching the top of that bolt. So if you tighten it down all the way to begin with, you're not gonna have any play in this bolt here. And that could cause for a problem for you not being able to line this front sway bar up with this block or up with this bolt here. So I just kept everything loose, y'all, to begin with. And then I was able to get the front sway bar up and put the bolt on tight enough, and then I just brought the car down off in the jacks, and then I was able to tighten everything down. But let me show y'all what the actual final stance of the car look like, y'all. I want to say that it raised the car about 1.5 inches. So y'all seen the before, or y'all about to see the before and after. But I'm very pleased. It actually bought my camber flush now, so I don't have to go and get my upper control arms adjusted anymore. It actually fixed the front camber. If y'all can see, that tire is rather level now. It's not that bad. Slightly cambered inwards, but it's not bad enough to really put significant wear on the tires like it was before. But as y'all can see, that one is straight. I'm gonna give you guys the before. This is the before. Let's see if it makes a difference with those blocks and that front sway bar. So that's the before. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. As y'all can see, I want to say it raised it about 1.5 inches up. Cause y'all know she was daggone there tucking in the front, and she was sitting real high in the back. So let me get back where I was so y'all can see the before and after. I'm very pleased with about 1.5 inches of raise in the front, man. Like I said, if I order a 5-inch lift kit, I want a 5-inch lift. Cause to me, it was looking like it was about a 3-inch lift in the front and a 5 in the back. But now, y'all, she is sitting a lot better. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I think she's sitting a lot better now. I should have more turning radius in the front, so I ain't gonna have to cut anymore. Like I said, y'all know that she was tucking in the front at first. Now I got about 4 inches right there of fender wall gap. She's about even all the way around. So yeah, y'all, I'm done with the lift. Next thing is the wrap. The only thing that I would do with the suspension is I would get my front aligned left and right. I'm not worried about the camber. Like I said, the camber is very slight now. You know, only the owner can really tell. You guys might think it's sitting, you know, perfect, but you know, when you have a car for a long time, you know everything that's, you know, slightly off or that's not perfect to your standards. So I may go and get the front aligned left and right, and then I'm definitely doing that wrap soon. Like I said, I'm trying to get my funds up now so I can get the best possible wrap out there on the market, because I'm doing it myself. So I want to make sure that the color's right. I don't want to rush that. I want to make sure the color is what I want. I want to make sure that my accent color that would be going on top of my base color is perfect and what I really want, instead of, like I said, just rushing trying to throw videos out there. So that will be soon, y'all, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. But like I said, once again, y'all, I think that the list is just right now. Yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. And y'all also comment to what y'all want to see. Like I said, it's getting hot enough now, man. I need to start bringing this bike out, bringing y'all content up on this thing here too. So I'm trying not to have no weeks time in between when I put out a video anymore. I'm trying to make it like maybe every 3 days. Every 3 or 4 days I want to be able to put a video out. So y'all comment below what y'all want to see next, what y'all want me to do. Whether y'all want me to do a prank or something on my wife. That'll be funny. But nah, she gonna watch this video so she can know something's up. But nah, like, she always believe everything I say, so, you know, which is a good thing, because I'm a truthful kind of a guy. So I'm not like the bull cried wolf, you know what I'm saying, that where people can't believe what you say anymore. But yeah, man, yo, y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe, man, 'cause like I said, y'all support is how I'm able to make this stuff possible. So make sure y'all subscribe. Smash that bell, man. Hit that bell notification for my future uploads, so y'all can, you know, be sure to be in tune with what I got going on and all of my updates. Smash that like button, comment, and be sure to share this vid, man. I'm bringing this stuff for you guys. For whoever want to do lifts, like I said, it can be a truck, a car, or whatever. Y'all can learn from, you know, this car, because I mean, just about every vehicle has, you know, similar parts. They might be shaped different, but every vehicle has to have a front sway bar, rear sway bar, you know. And if you're gonna do a lift, you know, all lifts are about similar. Some come with more stuff, a lot more stuff. Some come with a lot less stuff. You know, you get what you spend your money on. So yeah, man, Two-Time Moto TV out. I'll be back with y'all real soon, man. Like I said, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the lift. I appreciate it. Peace.